Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable bike mode in Google Maps using your mobile phone. This feature is perfect for cyclists who want to find safer and faster routes designed especially for bikes. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Make sure your location service is turned on, because Google needs it to find your current position. Now, at the top of your screen, tap on the search bar and type the name or address of the place you want to go. It could be a park, a friend's house, or your favorite cafe. Once it appears, tap Directions at the bottom of the screen. You'll now see different travel options at the top, like car, bus, walking, and bike icons. Tap the bike icon to switch to bike mode. Once you do that, Google Maps will automatically create a bike-friendly route for you. It usually avoids highways and busy roads, choosing safer paths with bike lanes or lighter traffic. You can also swipe up on the route preview to see more details, like the distance, estimated time, and even elevation levels, so you know if the ride has hills or flat roads. If you're ready to go, simply tap Start at the bottom. The app will guide you with turn-by-turn navigation, and you'll see voice instructions, distance, and upcoming turns, just like driving mode, but optimized for cyclists. And here's a quick tip. If you want to save this route for later, you can tap the three dots on the top right corner and select Add Route to Home Screen or Save Offline. That way, you can access it even without internet. And that's it! You've successfully enabled bike mode in Google Maps using your mobile phone. It's a great way to plan eco-friendly trips and stay safe while cycling. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple mobile tutorials like this.